Good morning and most welcome to my YouTube channel Speak English Easily. My name is Sanjay. Today I am going to give you a very important topic. The name of the topic is the form of verb go in past tense. Yes friend. The form of verb go in past perfect tense form subject plus head plus main verb third form plus object. Yes friend. So already I made video on the past indefinite, past continuous tense, so I am going to request you just to go to my YouTube channel playlist and watch those videos, then you can easily understand past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, right? So if you learn these tenses and the formation, then easily you can speak English fluently, because you will get a very good confidence on the tense, and tense is only subject which help you to speak English very easily, right friends? So let's start today's video. Today's video will be made on past perfect tense, right? So already I have given here the form how to make a past perfect tense, right? In order to make a past perfect tense, first of all we need a subject plus head plus main verb third form, means past participle form, plus object. So if we see this formation in any sentence, then we can definitely say that this form of a sentence is a past perfect tense, right? So in this way we can identify any sentence, right, which one is in past perfect tense. So let's start with this table so that we can understand this deeply. So here in this table, this arrow mark indicates the number, it is single number or plural number, and this below one arrow mark indicates person, it is first person, second person and third person. So if we see the first row of this table, then we can find here this first person singular number in the past perfect tense of go verb. I had gone to school, right? I had gone to school. If we analyze this sentence, then we will find this I here is a subject and had is a helping verb and go is main verb, but gone is the past participle form, means third form of this go verb, and school is object. So we can easily understand this. I had gone to school means past perfect tense in singular number, right? So if we see the plural number, then we can find what is the difference. I have replaced with we, right? And head is the same and gone is the same and other things the same, only I have replaced with we because I's plural number is we, right? So here we is the subject, here we can see the subject, and had is the helping verb, and go is the main verb third form, and we can see here school is the object of this sentence. So we had gone to school, right? So here if we see the second row of this table, second row of this table is second person. You had gone to school. Here you is the subject and had is the helping verb and gone is the past participle form of go verb, means third form of go verb, gone, and school is object, right? So we can say you had gone to school And if we see about the plural number in the second person, then the sentence is the same. You had gone to school. Here also you is the subject and the had is the helping verb, right? And gone is the third form or participle form of go verb, and the school is object, right? So if we see the last one, third person, and third person singular, if we see here we have mentioned he, she, it had gone to school. So third person singular are he, she, it, right? So either it may be he, it may be she, it may be it had gone to school. So he, she, it is the subject and had is the helping verb, and gone is the past participle form of go verb, and school is the object, right? So it may be he had gone to school, it may be she had gone to school, or it may be it had gone to school, right? So if we see the plural number of third person and go verb or in the past perfect tense, then we can find here that they had gone to school. Here they is the plural number of third person singular, right, subject. So they is the subject, and had is the helping verb, and gone is the third form or participle form of go verb, and school is the object. Right, so how to read this table? I would like to say the form of go verb in past tense, the form of verb go in past perfect tense, right? So formation already I mentioned here, subject plus head plus main verb means third form of main verb, participle form of main verb we can say, plus object, right? So it is number, it is person, and it is singular number, plural number. So first one, first person, I had gone to school in singular, right? And plural, we had gone to school. Second person in singular, you had gone to school, and plural number, you had gone to school. Third person singular, he, she, it had gone to school, and in plural number, in third person, they had gone to school. Okay, so I am going to request you, please watch this video again and again until you get the knowledge, and until you don't understand clearly, deeply. If you want to understand, then you can make the past perfect tense, right? And you can identify that any sentence which is written in the past perfect tense, you can say that yes, this sentence is in past perfect tense, and you can understand it and you can utilize it. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a lovely day. Thank you.